The beauty of the zone cleaning system is that I only have to do 4 tasks each week, and those 4 tasks are my deep cleaning. And once those 4 deep cleaning tasks are done, it's just my daily routines that I have to worry about. Task number 1 is to clean up my appliance carousel. There are so many crumbs that have dropped from my toaster on that little shelf, it's ridiculous. So I'm cleaning that up today. I'm going to vacuum the crumbs up with my stick vacuum cleaner, and then I'm going to use a little bay leaf oil and water to wipe it down. Task number 2 is going to be to clean the grate over my cooktop. There's been fat drops of oil hanging like teardrops. I wiped it away with a paper towel, but I decided that task was definitely going on the list this week. And since I'm already working in that area, I'll go ahead and clean the hood of the oven, and those 2 tasks together shouldn't take more than 30 minutes. I want to thank FreePrints for sponsoring this portion of the video. I got 15 awesome free prints, and they're perfect for this family scrapbook that I'm working on. If you're like me, you probably have tons of photos on your phone and they just seem to sit there, but with FreePrints, they have an app for your iPhone and your Android, and they let you get all of those photos off your phone and into your hands or into your scrapbook. And the great thing about FreePrints is that they send you the prints for free, and they even cover the shipping. FreePrints has been kind enough to provide a discount code for my viewers. Use the discount code Denise15 and you can get 15 free prints. That's 15 prints out of your phone and into your hands or into your scrapbook. And FreePrints is so confident that you will like what you see that you can come back in the future and get up to 85 free prints and pay only for shipping. No subscriptions needed and no commitment. So your first order, shipping is free. Your future orders, you've got to pay shipping, but the prints are free. And when I say free prints, I'm talking about 15 free 4x6 photo prints using my discount code Denise15. I'll put a link in the description box with the website and the discount code. like I said, the photos are absolutely free and they'll even cover shipping. I encourage you to give FreePrints a try. This offer is good only for new customers in the U.S. Now this is the last of the 4 15-minute tasks that I have to do this week. As you know, my deep cleaning, my zone cleaning, is what I do on a weekly basis so that I don't have to do spring cleaning and that kind of thing. So today's task is to clean the washing machine. The clean washer light had come on, and I will admit I did wash another couple of loads because I just needed to do that. But I'm going to clean the washer today, and what I'm going to do is to clean the insides and the gaskets and all that kind of thing with this cleaning solution that I like to use of 1 part Dawn dishwashing liquid, 1 part vinegar, and 1 part water. So they're equal parts, and I'll clean the gaskets and that kind of thing. And then I will use 1 tablet of this Fresh washing machine cleaner. Now, if you don't have the Fresh washing machine cleaner, it's okay. My washing machine gives me instructions that I could just put bleach in the bleach dispenser and run it on the highest setting and clean the machine that way. Why do we need to clean our washing machine? Well, because the gaskets can get quite nasty with the sediment and different things like that from the detergents that we use. And also, there's some things that can go on down in the different little filters and parts down in the washer. So we need to give the washing machine a good cleaning at least once a month. But if you don't do it once a month, at least every 3 months, just to make sure things are nice and clean. Because you certainly don't want your clothes to come out stinky and smelling and dirtier than when they went in. So let's get this task started. Now that I've gotten all of my tasks done for the day, I can sit and relax with a nice cup of tea, and the treat is that I'm able to write a letter. I've got several that I need to respond to. Using the wax requires hand stamping, so you have to put on additional postage. The clean washer cycle is done, and the drum of the washing machine is nice and clean, and it smells nice and fresh. For more 15-minute tasks, click here, and I will see you in the next video.